Alright, in this video we are here to show you how to change out the nozzles in our mid-range gear drive sprinklers. This would be the Eclipse, the Neptune, and also the Saturn III. So the process you're about to see is exactly the same for all of them. When you purchase the nozzles separately, you get these four here, and there's a chart on the page that you can check out to see the different flow rates and determine which one you want to use. So to do this, you're just going to need a couple tools, basically a flathead screwdriver for the diffuser screw here at the top. I'm using just the flathead screwdriver on a pocket knife. And we've got a paper clip that will help us sort of gently remove the old nozzles so we don't damage them. So to get started, this would again apply to any of these. Instead of trying to hold up the top, we find it easier to just unscrew the top of the sprinkler and remove the actual housing. That way you can take it inside to a table or someplace clean. There's always a chance that these little parts, especially when they're colored green and black, could fall into the grass or the dirt and get lost, so you don't want that to happen. This way you can just sort of sit down at the kitchen table, take care of this. So anyway, what you'll do is press down on the lid here to depress the spring, and you can take a look at the nozzle you have in. So the black one is what comes standard here, and let's say we wanted to replace it with the blue one, or the red one in this case. So the first thing we're going to do is just back out this diffuser screw just enough so that you no longer see it covering the nozzle. So you can sort of see the tip there. As I turn that, you can see how it covers the nozzle and holds it into place. But what I want to do is back that out so I'll be able to actually remove the nozzle. So that's the first thing I'll do. Next, I'll get my paper clip, and I'm just going to sort of bend the end there so I can get it in there, and just sort of get it in there, and you should be able to pry that, and it comes right out. Okay, and let's just replace it with this red nozzle here. So you just insert that sort of the same way that you pulled out the last one. Work it in there with your finger and make sure it's in there well, and then you can begin to just screw that diffuser screw down. You'll see that coming down a bit. Now, as you can see, that's sort of pressing into the nozzle, so I need to just sort of adjust it a little bit more. And that's actually down far enough that that'll hold it in. So we don't want to go all the way, or that's going to diffuse the spray. So once we've done that, we're pretty much finished. We can just take it back outside, insert it into the canister, make sure that's tightened down, and we're good to go. So that's how you replace the nozzles on these mid-range gear drive sprinklers. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and we would be happy to help. Thanks.